after the discovery of electrons, when protons were discovered, then on the basis of his studies on the protons, Rutherford also produced his atomic model. Okay, why we are studying all these atomic models? Because these all atomic models together give significant role in the final atomic model which we see nowadays. So some basic points we are only studying here. Like first, that protons were discovered by E. Goldstein, as I have told earlier, but the name proton was given to those particles by E. Rutherford. So this model was based on the discovery of protons. Rutherford did his experiment that is very famous by the name of alpha scattering experiment. By his studies on those experiments, he gave some his points, extra points for the structure of atom. Like he said, Rutherford said that atom is very small and protons are at its center. Earlier, J.J. Thomson told that protons were not known at that time, so he said positive charge is at the surface. But by his experiments, Rutherford finalized that protons are at its center, and it is true. Now, the third point, he said that electrons are revolving around nucleus. Means electrons are not embedded, they are revolving around the nucleus. This was the theory of Rutherford. So somehow the structure of atom he proposed like this, that very small center which is positive charge because protons are present here, and in the outer surface here, like here, electrons are revolving. Okay, electrons are, and there are many such kind of orbits can be made. Now, with the discovery of protons, the stability of atom was not decided. It was found that by mathematical calculation it is got very difficult to show that how atom is electrically neutral and stable. So by the discovery of neutron, which was done by James Chadwick, neutrons were discovered after many years. So the discovery of electrons and protons, and after the discovery of neutrons, the stability of atom was defined by the scientist Niels Bohr. Note down this very important point. Niels Bohr was a scientist who proposed the new atomic model, which we will study later on.